Hello, this is problem one of the final video assignment, part B. It states, suppose you want a future income stream of FV of t equals 500t for 20 years. Find the present value of this income stream assuming an interest rate of 5%. Okay, because this problem is more complex than the last problem, where we could just use, this equation formula, we have to use this formula now. Okay, and so now with the information given, this formula turns into present value equals 20 years, so 0, and then future value t, the function is 500t, 100t, e to negative. The rate is a 5% interest rate, 0.05 t dt. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna get this 500 out of here. Okay, make it simpler myself. Remove this 500 from the integration. Okay, that's TE to the negative 0.05 T dt. Okay, now we're going to have to use integration by parts. So U is going to be T, du is going to be 1, dt, dv is going to be e to the negative 0.05 t, and then v, as we can see here, it's going to be e to the negative 0.05 t over negative 0.05. Okay, so now let's bring down the whole equation. Present value 500. And so now the integration by parts, it is, here, I'm going to put this formula over here. It is u times v, 50, minus the integration of 5 up here, v du. Okay, so now we're going to take this information over here and this information over here, and we're going to plug it in. So now we get u, which is t, u, which is, don't forget the 500, but yeah, we'll take it. Okay, it's going to be t, and then uv, right? So we're going to multiply e to the negative 0.05 t over negative 0.05, and then from that subtracted from the du. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know why I wrote 5. This is actually 20. Yep, this is 20 minus integration of 20, 0, and e to negative 0.05 t over negative 0.05 dt, as du is just 1 dt. Okay, so now we have this. Let me just close this off. So now we have this. So now we can take this down even further, and this is going to, present value is going to equal 500 multiplied by, now since the 0 is going to be plugged in, this is just going to be 0. So the first part, so we only need to add the first part, t negative 0.05, t over negative 0.05 plus, and now the integration of this point, we're able to get 1 over 0.05 multiplied by e, the negative 0.05 t, divided by negative 0.05 with, sorry, why I keep, this is 20, 0. So that's what we get from that. And so now, we can plug. That's where we get 20 e to the negative 0.05 times 20 over negative 0.05 plus, actually, this negative and this is going to make this into a negative. It's 1 over 0.05 squared multiplied by e to the negative 0.05 times 20. And that's the first part. Now we subtract. Now this first part, when 0 is plugged in, is just going to be 0 minus 1 over 0.05 squared. And so that is what we get from this. Now I plug this all into Desmos technology, nice calculator, and present value is equal to approximately $52,848.22. So answer part B, the present value that you'd have to invest to get the wanted future value is $52,848.22. Thank you.